Moi kaikki! Tänään we will discuss shapes in Finnish or muodot suomeksi. Muodot suomeksi means shapes in Finnish. So a shape is muoto. 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 Muotoinen or muotoinen in more puhekieli means shaped. Or something is shaped like, something would be this muotoinen. Muotoinen. So let's start with one of the most basic shapes. So a circle would be ympyrä. Ympyrä. It's probably one of the more difficult pronunciations on this list. Ympyrä. Ympyrä. Tämä on ympyrän muotoinen. Ympyrän muotoinen. Ympyrä. 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 Circle. Ympyrä. Then we have triangle. Triangle. I was gonna say triangle. Ei ole. Ei ole. It's kolmio. 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 You can kind of see where the name comes from. Kolme means the number 3. Kolme. Kolmio. Kolmio has 3 kulmas. So kolme kulmaa. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I could do it like this too. 1, 2, 3 kulmaa. 1, 2, 3 kulmaa. Eli kolmio. Triangle. Kolmio. This would be neliö. 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 Oho. Neliö. Neliö. 4 kulmaa. Neliö. 1, 2, 3. 4. Neliö. Neliö. Again, resembles the word neljä, which means 4. Neliö. 1, 2, 3, 4. Neliö. A rectangle, so this is more like a rectangle. Rectangle in Finnish is suorakulmio. So suora means straight. Suora. And kulmio is a word that you put at the end of these shapes. It sounds similar to the word kulma. Kulma, which can mean both a inside corner or an outside corner. What I mean by this is you can call like an outside corner, like a pöydän kulma would be the edge of the table or the table's corner. So kulma can translate to corner. Kulma, pöydän kulma, kehyksen kulma. But it can also mean an inside corner, like huoneen kulma, the room's corner. Huoneen kulma, kulma, the corner of a room. So this can be kulma. This corner over here can be kulma as well. Kulma can also mean angle in geometry. So if you have an angle like this 90-degree angle, this in geometry, this would also be kulma. Anyways, back to suorakulmio. So suorakulmio. Suorakulmio is rectangle. And then if we add shapes with more kulma in them, lisäkulmio, it's actually quite simple in Finnish. So a pentagon or a shape with 5 corners would be called viisikulmio. Viisi. 1, 2, 3, 4. Viisikulmio. A hexagon, so a shape with 6 kulmaa, would be kuusikulmio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kuusikulmio. A shape with 7 kulmaa would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seitsenkulmio. Seitsenkulmio. Those I think are the most basic shapes, and then just to add a few fun ones here into the mix, I can teach you Sydän. Sydän is heart. Sydän. 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 Sydän means the shape of a heart, but also it refers to the organ. Sydän. 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 A line is viiva. Viiva. viiva, 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 viiva. If someone asks you to piirrä viiva, it means draw a line. Piirrä viiva, viiva. Piirrä ympyrä, piirrä kolmio, piirrä neliö, piirrä suorakulmio. Okay? So viiva is line. Nuoli is an arrow. Nuoli, nuoli, nuoli means an arrow. Nuoli. The arrow on your computer, you can call that a nuoli. In archery, when you're shooting the arrows, that can also be called a nuoli. Anything shaped with, the arrow is called nuoli in Finnish. Finally, the last shape I'll teach you is a star, which in Finnish is tähti. 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 So all the stars in the sky, those are called tähti. 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 That was just a quick mini lesson about muodot suomeksi. Kiitos kun katsoitte ja nähdään ensi videossa, moikka!